Hyundai Motor announced that it has implemented its third-generation vehicle platform to the new generation Sonata, scheduled to go on sale later this month. The new platform will improve the market competitiveness of Hyundai's new Sonata and future vehicle models with greater flexibility for vehicle development, which dramatically enhances overall design, safety, efficiency, power, and driving performance. The new generation Sonata offers reduced weight and improved fuel efficiency while also achieving stronger durability with the new platform. The platform builds on the former platform's core advantages, enabling a stable design with a lower center of gravity. The third generation platform also allows Hyundai to implement sporty and stylish design elements to the new Sonata. The platform also delivers a significant improvement in collision safety through the adoption of a multi-load path structure, hot stamping, and super high tensile steel plate. The sophisticated multi-load path structure increases the energy absorbed by the vehicle in a collision, improving safety with minimizing of collision impact into the passenger cabin. The platform is designed so that the tires move outward during a small overlap collision to maximize customer safety. Such technology inhibits vehicle from spinning and prevents possible secondary collisions. The extended application of hot stamping also prevents deformation of passenger room, thereby further improving vehicle safety. The all-new Sonata, equipped with a new platform, is also expected to improve power and driving performance. It has been developed for possible application of Hyundai's next generation engine called the SmartStream powertrain. Featuring a system that controls the flow of air, the new platform improves air movement to the engine bay and heat dissipation, which enhances stability in the lower part of the vehicle and minimizes air resistance to deliver excellent efficiency and power performance.